Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Stars and Bars. This is day 15 of my 100 days English speaking challenge journey. Today I am going to talk about something called jam. Jam based video it is, right? You may be wondering about what is jam. First of all, the jam stands for just a minute. That means in our video I am going to speak about one image for continuously 1 minute. I may be going to describe it or I can speak about what it have like that. So take one image for today's video. Today I pick one image that is ice cream. So first of all, what is ice cream? Ice cream is a frozen dessert. It is made from sugar, cream and milk, right? These all are the main components to making ice cream. And also ice cream give multiple of flavors like chocolate, strawberry, butterscotch. I like butterscotch. What you like, tell me in the comment section and let me know. And it also have multiples of colors like you maybe see like a green, yellow and some colors. So it helps to attract children's mostly. So that helps that productivity of that ice cream. And after eating ice cream it feels refreshing, right? So it helps to increase the productivity, and all age of people are like to eat ice cream. So this is first try to speak jam in my video. Let me know in comment sections how about this, can we change or go with this flow. So this is all about my video. Thank you, we'll meet in our next video.